All right, if you're ready to set up your website in Command, it's super easy. The first thing we need to do is we just need to go into the consumer section of Command, which is this last icon in the bottom left. You can always click that red KW in the top left if you need. And you're going to click Consumer. Here you're going to go to Site and App Settings. And then here you're going to do Learn More with Kelly Guides. This is going to make it really easy to go through the process because it walks you through it. And then you'll choose Agent Site. And then Continue. And if this pops up, you can just click Leave. So at the bottom, we're going to scroll and we're going to click on Get Started. This is just a compliance reminder, so we'll be checking that info as well. So I'm going to acknowledge and continue. So what you'll have here first is choosing your subdomain. It will automatically put in typically like your first and last name. You can change it up a little bit if you want to, but generally speaking, it's easy to just do your name.kw.com. So it will have that at the end of it. If you have a custom domain or you would like to have one through GoDaddy or something like that, you can direct it to this site. So I won't be going over that in this video, but just let me know if you need to do that and I can help you out. And then once you've chosen your domain, you'll click Confirm Domain. And it'll say, congrats, you claimed your subdomain here. And then you're going to click Marketing Profile Information. So this is very important. This is all of the legal stuff that needs to be on there for compliance, as well as your contact info. So it pulls it from your marketing profile. So you just kind of want to scroll through and make sure nothing is missing and that everything is spelled correctly. So what I realized about this team or business name box here is that if you are not part of a team, typically, you aren't putting anything there. But on the website, there's a drop-down menu, and if you don't have anything in that box, it just labels it your agent. So I know that most people would like their name to appear at the very top of the site somewhere. So this right here will actually allow it to do that. So what I did was I just put my name, comma, KW Cleveland, and then in your profile, if that pulls it into other places where it doesn't make sense, you can delete that. So I'll show you that there. So you can put your job title, phone numbers, your bio. If you don't have a bio right now and you don't have time to put one together before publishing your site, you do have to put something in this box. So just put like a period or something and come back to it. It's very helpful to have a bio, I think. Your agent license number. And then a compliance legal footer. If you need this, just let me know and I'll email it to you because you don't want to type all that. So I'll send it to you so you can copy and paste it. And office license number is here if you guys need it. This is ours. Office phone number. We do not need compliance legal footer links or legal footer images. So do not worry about having anything there. Your profile should come in from here, your Market Center logo. If you're not part of a team, you don't have to have a team header logo here, but I did just like the little KW logo. You could technically put your photo again there. But you also don't have to have anything there. And then at the bottom, you'll put all your social media links because they'll show up as links on your website as well. So you can kind of see how I've done it here. It'll be the https.com with facebook.com and then / and then whatever that username is. So just check that on your site. Same thing with Twitter, Instagram. I don't have LinkedIn in here, but you could go to that and just copy it and paste it here. And then it should have your KW app link here as well. And then you'll save and continue. Here, you're just choosing the style and theme, so it gives you options for a red theme or dark theme. It really just has to do with the buttons over here on the left that will appear on the website. That's about it. And like links, I believe. And then you can change your homepage text. You'll notice here it says, find your dream home. That's going to be on the home page. If you've got something different that you want to put there, absolutely change it. If you can't think of something now, but you want to think about it, just save it as this and then come back to it. And then here, you'll have some default images in here. There will be 5 of them. I would recommend uploading your own. Find some in Designs in Command or search for royalty-free images. I put this really pretty photo of like a kitchen. I actually used Command in Designs. There's a template for agent site images that let me collage them. So I did a couple family ones. So I thought that turned out really good. So if you'd like to know how to do that, I'll show you. But the pictures that come in here by default, you'll notice they don't look a lot like our area, or at least most of them don't. And also, if you keep the ones that are there, everybody has the same pictures. So I would just kind of try to find some other images. You can have up to 5, and you could just start with 1 and then kind of add to it later. Again, if the goal is right now is just to get your site live, then I wouldn't stress too much about it, and kind of you can make notes and know what to go look for later. And then I'm going to click Save and Continue in the bottom right. This is a company profile page that can honestly be anything you want. Anytime I'm setting up this site with new agents right now, I just kind of skip this page and we can always come back to this, because that way you can get your site live and then you know of things that you need to think about that you want to put together for it, because this could be about our area or anything like that. So I'm going to just click this skip button right now, and that means it won't put this blank unfinished page on my site. Here is your About Me section. So you'll notice here you have a section for search engine optimization. I am keeping this video short, so I'm not going to go too much into this right in here. I can make another video about that, or just get with me if you've got questions. Again, my goal with this is to just help you get your site live if you are worried about the market leader transition that's happening soon. So I'm going to go to this content button at the bottom. And here you can change the page title. You can notice mine is already set up, so you'll have to kind of put yours in. So here I put my title as Technology Coordinator at Jennifer Paul's KW Cleveland because of how I did that team business name. So what I'm going to do is just take that out. I can also just take out the at KW Cleveland part there anyway, because it's down there at the bottom and the top. And then here's a bio title, and I have my bio here. And then you have your contact information. So then I will just verify that that's correct and click continue. And then this page here, again, you've got your search engine optimization for this. We're going to focus just on the content right now and worry about that after we get our sites live. So here you have a header for your contact page. So you could change that. You can change it to say contact me or contact Jennifer, put your name, or put your first and last name. So it doesn't just have to say us, or if you're a team, you could say contact the blank team. You can do an intro paragraph here, kind of letting them know, what they can ask you or anything like that. Just make sure even if you're not typing something there right now, that you delete the line that's in it, because it will show up on the left. So we don't want it to look unfinished. And this is just a page that they can easily reach out to you through. And then here's a message hint down here. This gives them ideas of questions they can ask you as well. And then one funky thing on this one, you'll notice on the left, all the other ones put the dashes in the phone number for us, but this one didn't. So we're just going to go on the right and change it, and that will correct it. So then I'm going to save and continue. And I have actually successfully created my site. So again, we aren't getting crazy fancy or adding a bunch of extra pages in this right now. those things can absolutely come. Feel free. If you have questions, let me know. There's some links here that will help you. But I just wanted to make sure that you can get a site set up. So I'm going to click this little X in the top right to go back into Command. And I'm going to go to Site and App Settings again in the top right. And over here on the left, there's a toggle that says Use My Information to Brand My Agent's Site. If that is not turned on in green, make sure to click it. It's going to brand the information to your site. Give it a couple minutes, and then you should be able to go to your site. So I can go to jenniferpauls.kw.com, and I will see the site that I have set up with the image. And then here in the top right is what I meant about your name, being able to have your name show up here at the top for now. So if not, it will just say like your agent. So that may change later on, but this is a good workaround for now. So your name is at the top. You've got all the navigation pages here. You can search for homes, of course. Then we've got a contact form down here. So you've got everything you need. You've got legal info at the bottom. So you officially have a website through Command. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.